In this video, we're replacing and unboxing the rear trailer hitch for Land Rover Discovery4 2009 to 2017. This is the display of product. The left side bracket, the right side bracket, the trailer hitch bracket, the trailer hook, the bolts and washers, the safety warning sheet for installation, the product label. The following tools are used for installing the rear trailer hitch: 18mm wrench, 21mm wrench, 24mm wrench, large short extension bar, extendable ratcheting wrench, large electric impact wrench, large 18mm deep socket, large 19mm deep socket, large 22mm deep socket, large 24mm deep socket. We need to remove the spare tire before installing the trailer hitch. First, open the trunk. Open the upper tailgate. Open the lower tailgate. The spare tire access hole is located under the third row seat back, right here. Remove the plastic cover. Use a large 22mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench. Loose the spare tire mounting bolt. Loosen it until the spare tire touches the ground. Remove the spare tire cable assembly. Remove the spare tire. When pulling the cable locking tab out, through the center hole of the spare tire, we need to stand the locking tab up. Stand it up roughly into this shape, then we can pull the locking tab out through the center hole of the spare tire. The cable needs to align with the notch on top of the locking tab, right here. Lift the vehicle. Install the center bracket into the rear bumper slot. Use the 16mm long bolt with the trapezoidal washer. Install the bolt from the rear. Install the nut. Install both side bolts. Choose the 12mm long bolt with the large washer. Install the center bushing. That's how it looks like after assembling. The mounting hole is at the rear of the frame rail, right near the exhaust tailpipe. There is a large hole on top and a small hole on the bottom. To install it, first insert the bushing through the large hole. Then slide the bolt downward until it lines up horizontally with the hole on the opposite side. Then push the bolt through. Now let's do the installation. First, insert the bushing through the large hole into the inside of the frame rail. After the bushing is in, slide the bolt downward. Once the holes are aligned, install the bolt in place. Repeat the same process on the other side. Now get ready to install the right side bracket. The mounting holes face upward when installing. Install with the bolt that goes into the frame rail. Install the large washer. Install the nut. Connect the trailer hitch bracket to the center bracket. The mounting bolt holes on the trailer hitch bracket face upward. Connect the right side bracket to the center bracket. Use the 12mm diameter short bolt with an anti-slip washer and a flat washer for installation. Install the bolt. Install the other bolt. The left side bracket is installed the same way as the right side. Install the washer. Install the nut. Install the bolt that connects to the center bracket. Install the remaining bolts. Use a 21mm wrench with a 24mm deep socket, a large short extension bar, and an extendable ratcheting wrench. Tighten the center bracket mounting bolts. Use an 18mm wrench with a 19mm deep socket and an extendable ratcheting wrench. Tighten the side bracket to frame rail bolts. Use the same tools on the other side. Use an 18mm deep socket with an extendable ratcheting wrench. Tighten the center bracket side mounting bolts. This is the trailer hook. There are 2 mounting holes in the trailer hook. Choose based on your needs. Install the trailer hook. Install the bolt with an anti-slip washer. Install the bolt. Install the nut. Install the anti-slip nut on the other side. Use a 24mm wrench with a 24mm deep socket and an extendable ratcheting wrench. Tighten the trailer hook mounting bolts. Install the bolt protector caps on the center bracket. Install the nut protector caps on the side bracket to center bracket connections. When using the rear trailer hook, just remove the protective cover on top of the trailer hook. When not in use, it's recommended to put the protective cover back on. Lower the vehicle. Install the spare tire. First, position the cable into the center bore of the wheel. Then install the bracket the same way as just removed. Insert the bracket vertically. Use a large 22mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench. Tighten the spare tire bracket mounting bolt. Make sure the spare tire is fully seated. Install the rubber cover over the mounting bolt. Close the lower tailgate. Close the upper tailgate.